Hello friend, this is a comprehensive video on the topic Trends in Kids Customized Beds. The latest trends in kids customized beds are all about combining functionality, comfort, creativity, and all these. Here are some of the hottest trends. The first one is smart technology integration. It includes LED lighting. LED lights are being integrated in the bed designs to create a cozy ambience and provide a nighttime light for kids. They also have USB ports and charging stations. Built-in USB ports and charging stations are becoming increasingly popular, keeping devices charged within the reach within the given time. Smart technology integration also includes smart mattresses technology. Some customized beds have smart mattress technology tracking sleep patterns and providing insights for better sleep and hygiene. The second trend is that these are sustainable and made with eco-friendly materials, which includes reclaimed wood that is being used to create unique and environmentally friendly bed designs. Next comes organic fabrics such as cotton and linen used for making these beds, prompting a healthier sleep environment. It also includes friendly paints, those are eco-friendly to minimize the environmental impact of customized bed production. The third trend is storage and organization. It includes built-in storage. Customized beds are with built-in storage such as drawers, shelves, cabinets. These are helping to keep clutter at a bay. It also includes hidden compartments. Hidden compartments are secret storage spaces being incorporated into bed designs, providing a fun and creative way for kids to store their belongings. The fourth trend is themed and bespoke designs. Themed beds such as princes, castles, superheroes, and other space adventures are allowing kids to immerse themselves in their favorite world. Bespoke bed designs that incorporate kids' name, initials, or favorite colors are becoming increasingly popular, making each bed a truly one of a kind of creation. Fifth trend is multifunctional design that includes loft bed with play areas. Loft bed with play areas such as reading nooks or play tables are providing kids with a fun and functional sleeping and play space. They also include storage beds with built-in desks. Those are helping kids to stay organized and focused while also providing a comfortable sleeping space. Fifth one trend is vertical integration. Means they are mostly utilizing vertical space and making the room free for the child to play and do other activities. Especially wall-mounted beds are providing a unique and space-saving solution for kids' bedroom. Seventh trend is customizable headboards. Personalized headboards. Customizable headboards that can be personalized with names, initials, or favorite codes. Those are becoming popular in these days. There is also an option of design your own headboard. Some companies are now offering design your own headboard options, allowing kids to create their own unique headboard designs. Eighth and most important trend is safety features. Safety railings are being incorporated in customized beds designs to prevent falls and injuries. Soft close drawers and cabinets are being used to prevent finger injuries and provide a safer sleeping environment. So this was all about latest trends in kids customized bed. I hope you would have liked the video and subscribed the channel as well. Kindly share this video with your friends and family as well. And also you can suggest some topics on which I should make a video. Stay tuned for next video. See you soon. Bye.